All right, guys, next up, we've got break number 3 of our Gold Rush Extravaganza autographed baseball jersey. This is from Steel City, working through this case. Got a ton of big names that you can find in here. You got one autographed jersey per break. So 3 random teams per spot. So in this one, I've got Daniel V with 1 spot. Brent has got 4. Rick G with 1. Steve D with 2. And then Ricky closed us out with the last 2 spots. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize 30 teams. All right, 3 teams per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times. All right, here we go. So Brent, you've got the Nationals, A's, Cardinals, Diamondbacks, Pirates, Marlins, Red Sox, Cubs, White Sox, Rangers, the Angels, and the Tigers. Daniel with the Giants, Yankees, and the Braves. Rick's got the Orioles, Phillies, and the Padres. Ricky with the Reds, Mets, Dodgers, Indians, Rays, and Mariners. And then Steve, you've got the Royals, Blue Jays, Rockies, Brewers, Astros, and the Twins. All right, break number 3. Good luck, you guys. Oh, man. We got a Bash Brothers. How about a Jose Canseco? Definitely Oakland A's. Brent, there you go, man. Got you on the board. Beckett authenticated. It's got 40-40 inscribed there on the bottom. All right, so Brent, congratulations, man. Get that jersey in the mail tomorrow. And guys, we'll load up the website with more of these for next Monday. So we got half the case down. We got 3 more to go. So we'll load break number 4 on the website here over the next day or 2.